much money should a man make per month for you to consider dating him? Would you expect your first date to be more expensive with a foreigner than with a Filipino? What do you usually look for first in a man? Personality, looks, or financial capacity? How can you tell if a Filipina has multiple boyfriends and is only using her long distance foreign boyfriend for money? What was the reason why you broke up with your husband then? Ano yung rason mo? If it's okay. What was the reason?
Another girl.
What's your name and age?
I am Ron and I am 20 years old.
That's a very unique name for a lady, Ron. What is that, your nickname?
Yeah.
How much money should a man make per month for you to consider dating him?
I think there is no rate since personally I am not very materialistic person. You can we can go on date without spending too much money. Simpleng lakad sa park. It is very okay for me as long as you spend time with me. You know.
Walking in the park, that's fine with her. What do you usually look for first in a man? Personality, looks, or financial capacity?
I think at the first glance we cannot distinguish if a man is financially capable. So I think if ano po is it will going to be a personality since I am personally looking for a man that is very kind. That is one of my standard po. Yeah.
Kind. Are you single ba or are you in a relationship?
I am single.
How long have you been single?
It's been a week.
A week. Oh, okay. Are you like drunk or something?
I'm very tired. To tell you honestly, I'm very tired and I'm a little bit drunk. Yeah.
But you said we went on a practice.
Yeah, and I went to a practice, but after that, I went to I go to drink with my friends. Oh yeah.
Drinks with friends.
Yeah,
She's very pretty. What course are you taking, Ben?
A political science student po.
What's your name and age?
Mariel po, 20 years old.
Your cheeks are beautiful, Marielle. Okay. Marielle, here's the question. How much money should a man make per month for you to consider dating him?
Approximately 20 to 30K, I think.
30,000 Philippine pesos the most.
Yes.
Okay. What do you usually look for first in a man? Personality, looks, or financial capacity?
Personality plus looks.
Financial capacity is not really like. Okay. Would you expect your first date to be more expensive with a foreigner than with a Filipino?
No. No po.
Why?
Because I think it's not really the race or the nationality po talaga.
How can you tell if a Filipina has multiple boyfriends and is only using her long distance foreign boyfriend for money?
Maybe through chats, I think.
Like what kind of chat?
Like, for example, she's talking with a foreigner. At the same time, she's entertaining Filipinos here in the Philippines.
Okay, so how can you tell that? How can you tell that she's with multiple boyfriends and she's only with her long distance boyfriend? You know, the foreign boyfriend for money. How can you tell?
Maybe if she's asking for material stuffs.
Like
For example, asking for money for material things like expensive stuffs.
expensive stuff. Okay, are you still studying that?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
Legal management.
What's your name and age?
Erica po, 23.
You're very pretty, Erica. And just tiny. Very tiny. Okay. Anyway, here's the question, Erica. Okay. The first one is how much money should a man make per month for you to consider dating him? How much?
For me, it's not about the amount of the money, but since once you enter in a relationship, we need money, amount of money talaga for us to consider the needs, the family, and our wants also. Maybe 20,000
20,000 Philippine pesos monthly.
monthly.
Well, this one. What do you usually look for first in a man? Personality, looks, or financial capacity?
um, Personality and financial capacity.
The two. Okay. Now, would you expect your first date to be more expensive with a foreigner than with a Filipino?
Mm, Maybe yes.
Why? Maybe know why.
I guess some of a foreigner here, especially when they are living here in the Philippines, the currency or the amount of money that they are using is maybe uh
It's more. So that's why you're expecting the date to be more expensive than a Filipino.
yes.
Okay. Can you give us an idea what kind of date are you expecting? Date with a foreigner.
With the foreigner. Oh my god. Um Simplicity and genuine.
Simplicity. Like date in a restaurant like that?
Like a peace and calm place.
Like what? Like what kind of place?
A nature, a restaurant. That's like that.
Okay. Now, how can you tell if a Filipina has multiple boyfriends and is only using her long distance foreign boyfriend for money?
When they keep on asking money for their own needs and wants.
They kept on asking money. Okay. You're 23 years old, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you working already?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe know what's your job?
A team member po in Krispy Kreme.
Team member.
Yes.
Crispy. Oh, our favorite donuts. We love their donuts. Okay. How tall are you? She's very like starting. You're smaller than me, right? Let me see. She's she's very like small. You're 23 years old. You look like you're 17. What's your name and age?
Hello po. My name is Francine and I'm 20 years old.
When I look at Francine, she looks like a happy person, like jolly person. Okay. Anyway, Francine, here's the question: how much money should a man make per month for you to consider dating him?
For me, since I'm not very materialistic, I can say around 10 to 20,000.
The most is 20,000 Philippine pesos. Okay. What do you usually look for first in a man? Personality, looks, or financial capacity?
Personality.
Why do you think personality is what you're looking for like in the first?
Of course, personality if he can make me happy.
How can you tell if a Filipina has multiple boyfriends and is only using her long distance foreign boyfriend for money?
I guess if she's um materialistic and everyday go shopping.
Go shopping every day. Okay. Are you still studying?
Yes.
I mean, what's your course, Ben?
My course is hospitality management.
And what year are you now?
Incoming second year.
What's your name and age, ma'am?
I'm Krista and I'm 22.
How are you tonight, Ma'am Krista?
I stress, but it's okay.
Okay, stressed but happy. Okay. Now, Ma'am Krista, here's the question. Okay. How much money should a man make per month for you to consider dating him? Magkano ba dapat ang tigsasahod ng sarong lalaki para makonsider mong i-date siya? Monthly.
Monthly, depende mang it's 10K a month.
10,000 Philippine pesos.
Yes.
Do you think if you're with him or like you're in a relationship with him, you have kids, you're like family, do you think it's enough 10,000 a month to survive a family?
For me, I have a kids. For no. But But pag wala kaming anak, it's okay for me.
If they don't have kids, it's fine. But if they have kids, it's not enough. So how much do you think is enough, ma'am, monthly? If you have one kid,
15,
15,000 Philippine pesos. Okay. What do you usually look for first in a man? Personality, looks, or financial capacity?
for me is financial.
Would you expect your first date to be more expensive with a foreigner than with a Filipino?
For me naman, hindi.
No.
No.
It doesn't have to be expensive.
Yes. Basta happy kami together, it's okay for me.
As long as you're happy together. Okay. How can you tell if a Filipina has multiple boyfriends and is only using her long-distance foreign boyfriend for money? Paano mo ba masasabi, ma'am, na yung Filipina igwang dakol na boyfriend and then tigagamit niya lang so foreigner para sa kwarta? Paano mo masasabi?
Para sa akin yung parang, halimbawa, may kausap kang foreigner, then, pag yung parang yung tawag dun,
Paano mo masabing igwa siyang dakol pang boyfriend, bakulang dumansan, tapos nagkikwartahan niya lang siya? Paano mo masasabi?
yung kapag yung boyfriend niyang foreigner, pag hindi niya kayang i-public and ipakilala sa family.
So, if she couldn't introduce or upload or yeah, hold on, sorry. If she couldn't show her boyfriend public, okay, like her foreigner boyfriend in public, and if she couldn't introduce her foreigner boyfriend to her family, okay. Mom, are you single or are you in a relationship? What? Are you single or my boyfriend?
I'm married.
Oh, you're married.
I'm
Separated. Okay, separated. How long have you been single now then?
6 months.
6 months. And you're 22 years old.
Yes.
Okay, I'm curious. When did you get married? At the age of what?
21?
Also last year you got married.
So 1 year pa lang kami noon. June?
Okay.
June.
Okay. I'm nosy. I get very so what was I want to be nosy. What was the reason why you broke up with your husband then? Ano yung rason, ma'am? I'm being nosy. If it's okay. What was the reason?
Another girl.
Third party. Cheating issue. He found another girl. Do you have kids with him?
Nothing.
No, that's sad. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, that's just like very positive. Oh, what is your job, ma'am?
Sa associate sa SM.
SM. I could see it from the thing SM. What's your name and age, ma'am?
Pauline, 23 years old.
How are you tonight, ma'am Pauline?
I'm good.
How much money should a man make per month for you to consider dating him?
30K above. I think that's 30.
30,000 Philippine pesos. What do you usually look for first in a man? Personality, looks, or financial capacity?
Personality, capacity, financial.
The two. Okay. You're still studying, ma'am?
No, I'm
You're not. You're working.
not, nag-applying.
Oh, you're applying for job. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. We really appreciate your time. She's very like, Mom, my English. Well, you did good. Don't you don't have to say sorry. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection